So over here you can see that I have a project opened up. So one way to create out a new project is to go to home right here and then click on new artwork. But when a project is open itself, you can directly create a new project from over here as well. So to do that, you need to go around and click on this button right here, which is new file. So once you do that, create a new dialog box opens up. So just like when you're creating project from the home page, you can go around and select out any tab as you wish and then click out, let's say for example, a template right here, or enter out the template details and click on create. So once you do that, you can see that it opens up it opens up the new project just like this. And now if I were to go to home right here, the old project is still there. It's here as you can see right here, and this is the new project that you can rename out as, for example, an example right here just like this. And that is how you can create a new file or a project while you're in another project inside of Vectr. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.